Get ready for the most fun chapter of your life in Leicester with Reynard House. Located on Norton Street, Reynard House offers you a wide range of modern self-contained studios and ensuite apartments that are designed to provide you with the best student experience in Leicester. These luxurious rooms here are fully equipped to make you feel right at home. From a comfortable bed, wardrobe, a study desk, and plenty of storage to your very own culinary facilities, we've got it covered. To make your stay more convenient, the property offers essentials such as high-speed Wi-Fi and a 24-hour security service. At Reynard House, you'll never be bored with the property's fantastic on-site amenities, like a vibrant study area for your group study sessions and an in-house wellness spa to relax and unwind. Challenge your friends to a game of pool or table tennis in the entertainment zone, or watch something you like in the luxurious TV lounge area. Whatever your tastes are, we've got you covered. With Montfort University just 5 minutes away, you will save plenty of time and money on the daily commute. For an epic weekend getaway, hop on the train from Leicester train station, which is only a 5-minute drive from the property. With the city center just a couple of minutes away, you'll be surrounded by the city's finest restaurants, pubs, and landmarks to explore during your free time. We at Amber promise to make sure that you find your dream accommodation. Head to amberstudent.com to book stay in one of your favorite properties today.